BTFM Ouch Palangi.
Brought to you by Baker's Fresh. Love the taste.
Mayan nandun na was-wasan ni Ouch Palangi Show.
Right.
And matagawin na kay ni Kua. Good Andres.
Yeah.
To
People
everybody
asking, where's
tuning
the
in.
small fella?
Yes, the small fella is very sick this morning.
Yeah, what's
and
sickness?
he is extending his apologies
Yeah.
to all the listeners. His stomach is very flooding. Yes.
Hey, Harvinac, and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Harvinac, to all our listeners, all our friends, to all the mothers, the dads
Yes.
tuning in this morning. We say Harvinac as well to all the Ministry of Health.
Right, and medical services.
Don't know Ministry of Health and Medical Services, to all the staff who are working this morning.
Yes.
Some may be having their day off today.
Right.
I don't know the day off and
And the weather is very friendly for the day off.
We do hope that you will enjoy your 1 day off or 2
Right.
days off or annual leave this morning, wherever you're tuning from. We said we're not all the drivers on the roads. Please
Right.
be careful. Sakira be pamuri follow the road rules. And we'll be talking about the Bangara Misiri Kua. Kabakina, we keep in Wakadori Samachi Papalang, and we'll be talking about Matarikua. To all the neck
Right.
workers. Tuning from New Zealand and Australia.
Yes.
Eleanor.
New Zealand workers and Australia, I say yan rabinaka to my brother
Iyo.
tuning in from New Zealand this morning with his Tasmania.
Oi.
Thank you so much for always choosing VTFM. Hey, Melina the Levun, Roy and Rabinaka Meli,
Iyo.
and also John Kumar
Yan
from
Rabinaka.
Barara Valley Road, Singatoka, always tuning in every morning.
Iyo.
Thank you, Yan Rabinaka.
Boleh besar bikin menino kada lingin bing rabi had na we basically taxi.
Right.
Bulu na kada matang ko bikin menino sama cukup my vale. And kada maru tang cukup katalo enjoy your breakfast this morning.
Yes.
Say Yanabinaka and welcome to our
Lovely.
Palangi Show. We also say Yandra Rem Bulasi and Bulvina to all our friends from Vonolevu. The out
Right.
a Maduata to all the fishermen who are out fishing. And we barabisa na nando vunu na ngonongo pagod bina kada bulu tokani and mataka bina kanikua. To all the passengers tuning this morning.
Right.
From inside the bus, inside
Boarding the bus,
taxi.
going to school, going to work.
Don't know what kabamimbi talaga vi kemni na lingin vi garabi and vi hotel di bulang isar.
Right.
Vi kemni na takata tu na rara de buka. Lubu kay na maka nandi. Ano binaka and non tangang na boro takiya na matakay.
Some passengers don't want to get off the bus.
Baleta.
You know, the music is very nice and the
Iyo.
breeze is very wonderful.
Iyo.
You know, they just want to bus a ride.
The reason only
They
they don't want to get off the
off.
bus. The reason only they don't want to get the bus
Yes?
off the bus because it's a basima hour. That's the
Hey,
only reason.
yes, bus in London is one very old bus,
Iyo.
but the music,
Iyo.
oh, very
Nakirandrive o
nice.
keke.
Yes,
And
keke is
namataka
the
binaka,
Amin driver.
You
You know,
don't know Mombasa ni
Right.
ni Patukola na Burbi Tokadi and Matani Koki. Our show this morning
Okay.
will be about the love letters.
Right.
We have a few here.
All right.
Mikro gesa nga mikro na pagkanta taka na mataka din. Okay. Volete tu pa pertania. Kero ki mabit taka na mataka ko. May leno may.
okay. I need you.
Au ngandrebi ko.
Not in the way a child needs a toy.
Sino ba ka me oy ko yaya di ba ka talo?
A dog needs a bone.
Siya ba kayo doon na kuli? E via lindra mi tu na suya na ruko ni bulo.
Or a person needs a phone.
Siya doon ba ka ngandrebi doon na telefoni?
But in the way,
Iya na kina ngoni sala.
the ocean needs salt.
Na wasa-wasa yung ngandrebi na tui-tui na sa namasima.
A flower needs water.
Baka na sini kaw yung ngandrebi na way.
A heart needs blood.
Baka kin na uto ni ngandrebi nanra.
I need you to survive.
Aw ngandrebi mo nambula. Wala na, tutang kay. Sa siya?
Okay.
Alright.
Acha.
Total go.
Okay.
Ikaw rumilik sa
Di-
naman tayo tungkol kakede.
Eh, I don't know. Dear Lin
Sa
Wan.
naman tayo tungkol.
Oy, 29.
Iyo.
29/7/1998.
Kalau sumubul ka din singa ni kapitu ni bula and at bagay tinig ka diyo sa ngabul kawalu. Baka na let's please think back, think back. Iyo.
Tin ka Dios sa ngabul kawalu. Dear Lin Wan Fing.
Dia,
Iyo.
okay, dia Adi Li Wa Zi.
Long time no see.
Sa balabu na nga una, daru siya nga tunisota.
How's life getting on?
Baka tapos ko nan raki ni bula may sananggori.
For me, my life sucks.
Ele sanango siya nga siya tuni todo ko.
Too many girls in my school likes me, eh?
Iya, lelebu na ngone lewe na nugu kornibuli sa vole tsukone sereki. Au sakilati ko ni sa bina kati utiko.
Thanks for the support you gave me.
Binang balik besar no bitokoni.
to separate with my girlfriend.
Me robe au meu talubo tani mai en non ranggangaso na nongo itau.
Saying the truth,
Me tukun na kandina
I do miss you very much.
au dalati ko baglebu.
Warapasi.
Yeah.
I would not call me Hamilton guy anymore.
Asa na se ni kadivi au Hamilton New Zealandi.
I would like to say something,
Abra kati mo tukun bi kun tanaka.
but it is very embarrassing.
Iba
to say.
ka baka mandoto ka na itugutungo.
Who comes, la?
Odi la kumaya.
Well, from the first sight I see you,
Mani matini ngo na uredi ko kina.
I fell in love with you.
Baka tumbu itu baka ndo buro.
Hope you don't mind.
Au wambota niyo na sega niyo na baka samta sarpa bimbi.
I know you will surely say I am crazy.
Au wambota niyo na tukuna na wanengo sa lili tiku ulu ka umbaka bato. Yeah.
But no matter what,
Isa da ba nga na kaya na yan to?
would you like to be my girlfriend?
Iko raw ni no kuitaw?
Even though we just met not more than 2
Di na nga ni
months?
siyang imber ni runa bul non doru bikilay?
Even though you've already got a boyfriend?
Di na nga ni santo chungkur bi ko kuitaw tangani?
If you don't accept my letter,
Kaya ka sen ni tingo man nunggu bola?
it's okay.
Eset tungori.
Sorry, I don't know how to say in English.
Mo posoti au ni sen ron mga madal taga baka pertania.
No matter what,
Siya da ba nga na yan to?
I will still love you,
Au na tali tagi kutunga.
even though you don't love me.
Di na manda nga ni o siyang ni tali tagi au.
Yes, sincerely.
O di tali ba ngori?
Mika.
Di ba na kaya na ta love letter ba tayo ko sa ochi se. Okay, ochi go.
My baby,
Nunggu papa.
my Janie,
Nunggu chaneni.
I love you.
Nunggu papa, nunggu chaneni.
I love you so much.
Au tomoni ko bagalew.
You're everything to me.
Oy ko dabuni nunggu be ka bina ka kedenga.
It's been 4 days since our visit,
Sa oti ko mana singa mananga no wangande ni kina.
but it feels like forever.
Iya, beyau sabaka nangande ngo etau mundu.
But before you know it,
December ni okila.
the distance will be closed.
Era tasongo mai na mabongo. Na mabongo na mosingo, na lolosingo era tasongo.
Very short and sweet.
John Kumar, that's for you this morning, my friend. As well as to Ratutau J that you.
Right.
Epilo itu yang benar kena mataka di ngara di kuah. Maka kina we wesa temba.
Yan Rabanaka.
Na mataka dai. Sorto sem my Richlands.
Right.
My Brisbane. O ya my Australia.
Hey, JB, koroi suba yan Rabanaka. Kata-kata twin nandi. Orto
Oh,
kereuda tiko.
It's very hot in Nandi right now.
It's very, very hot.
Okay.
Very,
Maybe
very.
you need the rain, yeah?
Yes, they need the rain.
Kita boleh bersama.
Oh, Jay the Timbio, you are the cream to my loaf.
Kami na nunggu cream loaf. Ada benar John Kumar, ada benar Salbong, ada benar Rossi di Maduata, Emori Tui na Waikoro. Sherwood Park, my Alberta, my Canada.
Right.
Mori patang tunan raki may sanagori no kagu. John Kumar, baby.
Oh, baby.
Gua kuna sere ay.
Baby,
Ada baby
baby.
lo ngapa ada benar kebuni na boleh usar itu kan yang matang likua. Second lo tabi kina be Meli na ada bulu turun night. Kalau dia benar tiga boleh itu kan yang matang kini bakat tambi sing likua. Kayak apa kuki nangkele buki. Era boleh bisa mati na matang kayak dai. Kira sana may tabi ke check up malo na bono. Baru benar ka isere. Lo bulu laki
Oh,
brau.
serenità
Era matang. May matang ni matang kamarin suka na bulu ka kurmundu.
El Nodomoni.